Yo, 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 what's up, my gamer brothers out there and sisters out there? Let's get into another Smash Engineering. I'm just kidding. Welcome to this episode of Smash Engineering. Today we're working on a BEBONCOol, I believe is the brand. It's like an off-brand Switch remote. Basically what started happening is the remote would turn on, and then if it got shifted any which way, it would turn off, and then it just quit turning on altogether. So let's get it ripped apart and see what's wrong and see if we can't fix it.
Smash Engineering.
Alright, so first things first, this is the remote, and what we're going to have to do is there's a series of bolts on the backside, 7 in total I believe, located here, there. Sorry for the lighting here, I'm doing the best I can. Okay, one thing I like to do here, and I'll point out, sometimes these stickers on the back of remotes will have a hidden screw underneath, so this is, I'm just checking it. I felt on it, didn't feel like there was any divots there, but I just wanted to check, because you don't want to start prying on the plastic or pulling on it and snap it. So next thing we're going to do is pry off these plastic, I don't know, grips, and it's got 4 little things that hold, so if you pop 2 off each side, they will come loose, and then you can pull the 2 halves apart. And voila, we have our remote open. Now the first thing you see there is that blue square. That's the battery, the rechargeable battery. So if your remote's wired, obviously it's going to be a little different than this, but generically the cheap rechargeable batteries or rechargeable remotes will have this set up. So take inventory in your mind of where these buttons go and things like that. This battery had actually come loose and the black wire was completely broken. So the wire must have been just barely touching on the contact and letting it turn on and then off, and then eventually it just completely quit. So I don't think the battery was stuck to the circuit board quite as well as they had intended. So the battery has been flopping around in there and ripped the wire loose. So what we're going to have to do is go ahead and resolder that. Now there's a little bit of a pause here. I went to go look for my normal soldering gun and soldering iron, but of course, you know, as usual, I couldn't locate it, so I went ahead and ran up to the good old Harbor Freight and I bought this bad boy. It was I don't know, I think $5 or so. So grab yourself one of those if you need it.
Okay, let's snap it out of there. I can't wait till we have it back and ready to play. I think I know, because it was kind of like bending and then it kind of connected, but then it immediately disconnected. I think that's why. How do you get rid of cord?
I'm gonna wait for that to get hot. So we'll plug that in like that. And then I
Is
gotta.
that hot glue?
Nope, it's solder. It's gonna melt the metal.
Melt the middle?
Yeah. Then I gotta strip this back a little ways.
You took the wire.
Hmm?
You took the wire.
I stripped it.
That was that what you're supposed to do?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I hope you know what you're doing.
He always knows what he's doing, right, Dad?
That's right.
I know. I'm just hoping that nothing bad happens.
Nothing bad.
Nothing bad would happen, and I'm just hoping that nothing bad will happen if like you accidentally make a mistake.
No, Daddy don't make mistakes, does he?
Sometimes.
Oh, okay.
Everybody makes mistakes sometimes.
Okay, so what we're going to do here is get a little solder on the tip to kind of get the tip ready, and then I use that solder to put a little bit on the wire that you stripped. This just helps it blend in better with the board, and you don't have to get the board as hot. Generally what you'd do if you had a temperature controlled soldering iron is go ahead and get the solder hot on the board and then flux the wire and push the wire down into it. But whatever way you do it works, just don't overheat your board, or you'll cause more problems for yourself. And then I noticed when I was doing this that the the red wire, the positive wire, was also getting ready to come loose. They weren't soldered in very well. Also, if you have this remote and it's doing this to you, the battery here can be replaced the same way we're resoldering this.
That's a very delicate remote.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy!
Yep, don't want to do that.
That's a very delicate remote.
You scared me.
Dad, why are you laughing?
Because I didn't mean to do that. But things happen sometimes, don't they?
No.
Hello? No. I'm soldering Zach's game remote back together. He. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to go, right? All right, now that let's get a reaction. Hey guys, what are you playing? Minecraft? Would it be better if Daddy maybe fixed your other remote?
Yes. Is this fixed right now?
What is
Back, here you go.
what do you think? Is this
I love it. Thanks, Daddy.
You're welcome. Oh.
Thanks, Daddy, too much. I love you too much.
You love me too much. I don't know if you can love me too much. All right.
Of course we can.
So, watch this video, fix your kids' remotes, maybe get that reaction. Alright, well, a few things in this video that I will warn you about is if you are young or not an adult and you are going to use a soldering iron, please be careful. They can burn, and if you forget to unplug them, they fall over, they can burn your room or the garage or whatever. So please use adult supervision and be super careful. You can bring yourself as well. Also, don't drop the remote in front of your kids. That doesn't work out well, as you saw. I actually decided to leave the audio in there because the kids came up and were watching me do it because they were very interested in getting their remote fixed. And they saw me drop it, as you heard my daughter say, wow, that's a very delicate remote, and then somehow instantly I just about dropped it instantly. So anyway, I hope wherever you're at, this finds you in good means. If not, I hope things get better for you. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.